Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Following that, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and the Gboard. Lastly, select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!